Hello and welcome, dear students. And I am Praveen Kumar Mirkote, your physics mentor. Today we are discussing on macrostates and macrostates. As we know, a system consisting of large number of particles can be studied by either microscopic or macroscopic approach. In the macroscopic approach, the motion of individual particles comprising the system is considered by using the familiar laws of physics. Statistical physics is basically the macroscopic approach applied by a system of large number of particles by using the laws of probability or chance. As a macroscopic system, a system containing a small number of particles per unit volume whose motions can be described individually by dynamical principles is called macroscopic system. Simple example, a system of two balls which may be collide. So we can say that two balls, those are the small particles, but here we are considering only the system containing two balls and they are colliding with each other. In microscopic system, a system containing a small number of particles per unit volume whose motion cannot be described individually by dynamical principles due to mathematical complications or due to their inapplicability is called microscopic system. In microscopic system, only average properties may be studied, and such studied and solved successfully by statistical methods. So our today's session focus on the microstats and macrostats. Here let us consider the distribution of four particles in two halves of a box. So draw an imaginary line PP dash to make two equal portions of the box. L and R of the two sections of the box. Let four identical particles be designed by A, B, C and D for our convenience, sake of the convenience. And we are studying the distribution of the four identical particles in the box. So what are the possible distribution of these particles in the box? First, we can say that four particles in L section and 0 in R half. Then we can assume that three particles in L box, L side partition and one in R side partition. Third, two particles in left L box and two particles in R half. One particles in L, three particles in R, and last 0 particles in L and 4 in R halves. For brevity, we call the above the distribution of these particles in the box as 4 0, 3 1, 2 2, 1 3, 0 4 respectively. Now the distribution of 4 0 can occur in only one way, that is ABCD in all L and no particles in R half. The distribution of 3 1 can occur in four possible ways. Similarly, one can see that the distribution 2 2 and 0 4 occurs in one way. Thus, the total number of ways in which four identical particles A, B, C and D can occupy two half of box are 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 16. So this 16 corresponding to 5 different distribution. Each different alternative or may be called a microstat, MICRO microstats, and each different distribution may be called a macrostats. In this example, there are 5 macrostates and 16 microstates. So corresponding to microstate 3, 1, there are 4 microstates, means ABC in X section, D is in another, ABD in L section and C is in R section, ACD in L section and B is in R section, and last BCD in L section and A is in R section. So this 3, 1, there are 4 microstates, and corresponding to microstates 2, 2, there are 6 microstates, and so on. Suppose, let us consider a system of gaseous molecules in an enclosure. There are large number of gaseous molecules which are moving with various possible velocities in all possible directions. Experimentally, measurable quantities are pressure, volume and temperature. If we are taking the two instances T and T dash, these experimentally measurable quantities are same, then we can say that these two instant system is in same macro state. However, it can be easily visualized that microscopic details of this system at both the instants need not be same, because a molecule which was occupying the certain position and was having certain momentum now may not be at the same place with the same momentum, and hence we say that the microstates at both these instants are not same. Here some distribution of the 4 particles. I am taking the example of the 4 particles. First column is representing the microstates and the possible arrangements in 2 compartments, compartment 1 and compartment 2, and third column is number of macrostates that is related to the thermodynamic probability. Means when you define the thermodynamic probability, the corresponding microstates are there. So that's why I am giving the another line, that is the W thermodynamic probabilities. So when you placing the 0 molecules in compartment 1 and 4 molecules are in compartment 2, so the microstates become 0, 4 and the number of probability 1. So that is the number of microstates. When we are arranging the molecules like A in compartment 1 and ABCD in the second compartment, then the macrostates is 1, 3. How many times it occurs? How many times the microstates occurs? 4 times, by arranging A, BCD, B, CDA, C, DAB and D, ABC. Then we can arrange the molecules like 2 molecules in compartment L or compartment 1 and 2 molecules in compartment R or 2. So the macrostates is 2, 2. The corresponding macrostates are 6. The probability becomes 6. How many times we can arrange it? We can arrange like AB, CD, AC, BD, AD, BC, BC, AD, BD, AC and CD, AB. Again we can arrange like molecules, possible arrangements 3, 1. In the second row, we can study it when we are 1, 3. Now we are replacing it 3, 1 because compartment went containing 3 molecules while in compartment 2. So BCDA, CDA and B, DAB, C, ABC and D. So 3, 1 macrostate is there. So 4 possible ways. So the number of macrostates, that is the 4, and last again replacing the first row, that is 4 0 0 4 2 4 0. So first compartment is ABCD while in compartment 2 0. So only one possibility is there for 0 4 and 4 0. 1 to 3 arrangements can be arranged two types, but the probabilities are 4 for 1 to 3 and 3 to 1 also 4, and 2 to 2 molecules are arranging in 6 ways. So from this example we can conclude that a macrostat is a state of system that can be distinguished from all other state of observations made on the system in an actual or in an realizable hypothetical experiment. Macrostate is the term used for one particular arrangement of particles among the given states of the system, or microstate is the state of system specified in an ultimate possible detail. Corresponding to a single macrostate, there may be a large number of macrostates, and last, difference in the two macrostates of the same macrostates can not be experimentally known. The difference can simply be imagined. So when we discuss all this conclusion of the macrostats and microstat that is related to the probability, so all microstates are equally probable. The macrostats of system remains unchanged by the probability hypothesis, and this is the hypothesis of statistical physics. So I hope you understand this session, a small session but interesting, that is the macrostats and microstat, that is most important to when you describing the thermodynamic probability and relation between the thermodynamic probability and entropy. So studied it. If you have any questions regarding this macrostat and microstats, please put the question on your Google Classroom, so I will rectify it. So thank you.